Take 432. Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Guys, I started trying to get this set up a year ago. I had my daughter working on a project. She got nowhere. We were trying to do print on demand for this product. And we've had requests for it, and we finally have a system. Introducing new shirts. For you, not for me. I have my shirts. This is going to J.D. O'Brien. I won't say who he works for, where he's at, but he wanted a shirt. He is the first customer of getting a new shirt, and it's a nice black shirt. I will put in the description a picture. I don't know if I can put a picture. I will put what brand and what the blend is on it. And it comes in any color you want, as long as it's black. Henry Ford. Black doesn't show dirt. It doesn't show blood. It doesn't show the sweat. Oh, those are all things that happen when you do this business. Anyway, guys, these are good quality shirts. Now, here's the added bonus. I don't know if you've ever looked at the logo on my back when we shoot, but I've been very careful over the years not to give out my phone number because I get enough spam calls. But my phone number, and by the way, I only answer the phone from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time. So if you call early, it better be an emergency. If you call late, I don't answer. But on the back of this shirt is... Oh, you were yawning. I was trying to...
I was.
I didn't know if you were going to pass out.
No, but folks, you should note on the front of this shirt, there's 2 pieces of dust. They don't come that way.
That's extra. If they want the dust, that costs extra.
Okay. It really is a nice black shirt.
Anyway, so on the back is our logo. And the shirts I wear when we record here, I have shirts without the number on. This is the number we use when we wear them out for service calls.
Notice it's not BR549.
Hey, there you go. Junior sample. Anyway, so it comes with my number on it, so you'll have that. We won't be putting our number out over the air very often, but we're going to do that today. Look how nicely I folded that quickly. But
Hey, you know what I noticed?
what'd you notice?
I noticed that your shirt has a pocket and that one didn't.
I'm deaf. And then you're going to say, why do you need a pocket if you're deaf?
Huh?
I'm not really deaf.
Huh?
I know. I'm not really deaf, but I am hard of hearing from being around this equipment all my life. So I carry my phone in my pocket because if I carry it in my pants pocket, I don't hear it ring. So I need a pocket. I'm not selling pocketed t-shirts. We are going to sell regular t-shirts. Most people don't want a pocket. I do.
I don't like the pockets. Mine don't have pockets, folks.
Yeah. So anyway, I don't want to say we have merchandise, but I guess technically this is merchandise. If you want the Compressor Guru logoed t-shirt, it's real simple. Contact me through the Compressor Guru. Now you're going, Bud, that is awesome. How much? Here's the special thing. I will ship them anywhere in the lower 48 for $30 each. That's 2 for $60. I'll tell you what I'll do. If you buy 3, I'll make them $25 a piece. Now it's not 3 to 3 different locations. That's 3 in one package. But contact me through thecompressorguru.com. What name do you want on the shirt? What size shirt do you want? And
what color?
And what color? It's black.
All black.
Yeah. Doesn't show the dirt, doesn't show the blood. And when I'm sweating, you can't tell from my shirt. You might think I'm having a heart attack because my face is sweaty, but I'm not having a heart attack, and you can't see my shirt getting wet.
And
So
black makes your name and the logo show up really well.
and it makes you look thinner. You'd have no idea how heavy I was if I was wearing a regular shirt.
These are the jokes, folks.
Anyway, guys, t-shirts for those that want them. They are print on demand, your name on the front, and of course we won't print anything vulgar. Thank you. Contact me through the Compressor Guru. God bless. Have a great day.
You better cut that.
I put bloopers in every now and then.
No.
Welcome back to the Compressor. What? You're
Nothing.
Shaking, oh, you're shaking your head no.
I was just laughing.
Okay. Welcome.